Guys, so I'm in my garden and I'm going to show you how to do DIY. So I'm doing this for my project and I thought, what better way to show everyone else how to do this for their own clothes. So I'm going to show you how to ombre / dip dye your garments. Everything I'm doing today is on white, but if you want to do it on a different colour, then obviously bleach your garments first, and I'm going to be bleaching some stuff next time and I'll show you how to do that in my next video. So just get cracking and I'll show you what I'm doing. So this is my bucket of dye and I'm going to show you how to do this. Hopefully you can see it's actually purple dye and it's just sitting in there at the moment, soaking up all the dye. So this is what I'm going to dip dye next. I've just sort of sprinkled it with a bit of water to help set the dye. So then what you want to do is you want to get yourself a bucket and some hot water in here. I've got myself a handy stick, some pegs, also got the dye salt and the packet of dye, and I'm using dylon, by the way. So I don't know if they have that in America, but that's what I'm using today. And I'll just show you what else I need to do. Okay, so what I've done here is I decided I want the top half and the bottom half of the shirt to be dip dyed. So I folded the shirt in half. I've actually attached the pegs in the middle and folded it a bit so the pegs can stay on. And then I'm just going to put this in the bucket of dye and the water will rise up. So this is the bucket of dye. I'm probably going to have to put a bit more warm water in there just to make sure that there's enough dye to sink into the shirt. So I've placed my shirt into the bucket and I've just sort of pushed it all together. It's really hard to see because of the sun, but this is what it looks like, and it's just travelling up the shirt. So you want to leave it in there for a bit so that the colour sets and it stays a strong colour. So I'd say maybe like 10 minutes, maybe a bit longer. You want to like keep stirring it a bit and sort of lifting it up and seeing how the dye looks. So I've taken my dip dye clothes out and I've just hung them up on a little rabbit run. Don't worry, the rabbit's not in it. And I've just hung them so the dip dye is facing down. But if you wanted to, you could turn it the other way so that the dye will run and actually go up into the white a bit more and it'll look a bit more natural. But I've decided to leave it like this because I quite like how the line is going like that. So that is what you do. Wait for it to dry, put it in a cold bowl of water or a sink, and then put it in the washing machine. And that is it.